Dominic, where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Do we miss Daddy? Yeah, we miss Daddy, huh? It's okay. You want to show Daddy how you can sit up? Give me your finger. Give me your hand. You want to do it? Give Mama your fingers. Yeah, I know you want to sit up, huh? Oh, oh, hi. Hi. You want to sit up, but you're still too little, baby. You have to wait till you get big and strong. Okay? Yes, I'm sorry. You have to wait. Say, I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Where's Daddy? Oh, you love your Daddy, huh? You love your Daddy, huh? Yes, you do. Okay, say bye. Bye. Oh, good boy, waving. Bye, Dada. Bye. Bye.